This is part three for dismantling oligarchs, and this is going to be a, a presentation about what people in general are missing, why you can't hear me, and what you listen to, and why the country is going to pot. It's no laughing matter. I just when for the people who can hear me, you're going to say, "Oh my God, that's absolutely right," and we need this. So this is why I'm being so blunt. The reason why people in the United States have gotten to where we've gotten, where we cannot discern between right and wrong anymore, apparently, and our leaders have, so easily been manipulated. It's it's called conditioning. Conditioning is a message that comes from enemies. It's called conditioning the environment. And for many, many years, our enemies have been conditioning our society to be focused on money, focused on prestige, focused on ease and simple simplicity. Just wanting things to be so fast and so easy. And what that has done is it's minimized people's ability to tune in on truth, to listen to justice, to weigh things out in their mind, because they're wired today. People are generally wired to be cool, to fit in, to be hip, say the right thing, um, completely abandoning the interdependence it takes to build a society for fast money, fast profit, uh, being the best looking, having a better car. It's like, seriously, seriously. That's sounds like a ridiculous statement to make, but it's absolutely correct. In the last video, I established the game plan, and it's knowledge based. I come up with a regeneration model that is synthesized uh, on truth. Stephen Hawking's at, at Cambridge, when he was still here, I sent that to him. I never got a response back, but I understand. You know, the reason people can't hear is because they judge with their eyes. They're not listening anymore. They make quick snap judgments with their eyes. And they're not listening for truth. So I'm going to wake you up. This campaign is filled with powerful things. I found the right way to address the issues by identifying that we're losing our superpower to kleptocrats. Yeah, that's no small feat. Just to state that as an underlying statement to identify what you're all about, Dave, and what we need to be all about, U.S. That's a critical. That's a very powerful thing. To come back and say I have a regeneration model that basically explains how all things work. And I've proven it in some simple graphics. Is also a very powerful statement. And you can dismiss those things by saying, Dave, you didn't even comb your hair. Dave, you're not a Rhodes Scholar. Okay. Sure. You can dismiss those things because I don't drive a Tesla. I don't know. But what you cannot dismiss is knowledge itself and its application. So the three ways that I'm told, that I plainly stated, that we're going to regain our superpower through the regeneration model, the cash initiative, and the Mike model. Those three platforms are absolutely rock solid. They're big enough in scope. They're direct enough in community to direct right to the community. And they are potent enough to prove true. And it won't take long for any intellect, any thinker, or any passionate person that's passionate about the United States, whether you're a religious person, a banker, whatever your profession, it doesn't matter. This whole earth is going to know that those three programs are spot on, and that becoming a superpower is a real good idea, because kleptocrats is the way back to imperialism and dark times. Okay? So there you go. I'm just telling you. I clean up pretty good. Don't worry. If I put on a sport coat and make a formal presentation, I can look pretty intimidating. But I'm trying to give you guys a common man perspective. So nobody can say in their mind that he's a great man. I'm not a great man. You want to say Elon Musk is a great man? He's not as great as I am. In fact, he's a step or two down beneath, because he's not taking care of the people, and I am. Okay, I'm nurturing all wisdom. I'm not just nurturing my own. Okay? Think about that. Let's talk again soon.